In this walking tour, you'll see an apartment located in Ciudad Quesada on Pontevedra Street. This ground floor apartment has a total area of 85 square meters. It includes 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and also has a 70 square meter garden. Perfect for relaxing outdoors or spending time with family and friends. Inside, there's a bright living room and an open-plan kitchen that comes fully equipped with appliances. Both bedrooms have built-in wardrobes, and the bathroom features a full bathtub. The property is part of a gated community with a large communal swimming pool and green spaces for sunbathing and relaxation. One of the biggest advantages is its excellent location, close to shops, supermarkets, restaurants, and medical services. It's also just 10 minutes away from the city of Torrevieja, a great opportunity for comfortable living or a holiday home in a peaceful area. The price of the apartment is 199,000 euros. If you're interested in this offer, please contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram at the number shown on the screen.